Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account or another country. So first of all guys, open up your Play Store app, and what you guys need to do right now is to click on your profile icon at the top right corner from over here. And then click on the last option which says Help and Feedback. And just need to click on Contact Us right here. So now all you guys need to do is tap in on something similar to this. Google Play Store balance transfer or something similar to that, and then you guys need to choose from over here the best description of your issue. Make sure to choose this option, transfer account content, and on the last section make sure to select Google Play Store apps, and then tap on next step from over here. And also you guys have the contact option via email or chat. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care until next time.